Hi guys, good afternoon. We are here in the Ellison, in the Perry Homes, but it's in the Ellison area. So I'm here in the backyard. This is the backyard in the Ellison Perry Homes. Vlog. This is the backyard here. It's so nice. So this is different. So this is their backyard. And then we go to inside our house. You see here, table, kitchen. Oh, I like that. I like the kitchen because it's white. See, and there. Check the rooms here. This is the rooms. This is the master bedroom over here. So I love this. This is the one. This is the model. So the bathtub. You see the bathtub. And this area, so nice. This is the closet, I think. Oh, this is a shower area. So we go to the other room. This is one story.
So one bedroom in here, two in here. That's three, and the primary is four. Okay.
So this is the one, the other one. This is the dining area. So nice.